Hey there, KPBSD families and students. This is Miss Walker coming to you from Seward Middle School. I'm here to help you explore feedbacks and grading on Canvas. While we do use PowerSchool as a main way to view quick information about grades, Canvas offers a unique opportunity to give us rich information, feedback, and rubrics, and easy access to the assignments that produce the grades. So it can be very beneficial for people monitoring progress and learning and celebrating learning. If you have a chance, I would highly recommend downloading the Canvas parent or student apps on your personal devices for easy, quick, efficient access to assignments and grades. But if not, I'm going to show you today how to explore it on a computer. So go to the KPBSD website. Once there, you'll find these quick and easy icons on the top right that are very important and helpful to us these days. Click on Canvas. Once you do, your student will be prompted by this screen to log in using their user ID and password. Sit down together and do this because otherwise if you're just using a link you won't be able to view all the grades and richness of Canvas. So sit down together and log in. The student can guide you through their classes pretty effectively. Once there, you'll view a dashboard that has a lot of important information just like mine. Instead of grading to do, your students will see their assignments to do here on the right hand side organized by date. These are links that you can click on that will take you directly to the assignment. Scrolling down, you'll see recent feedback from the teachers telling you about your students' learning. And if you want to view a summary of the students' grades, click on View Grades, and you'll have each class and the summary of the grades that are existing. For now, we're going to explore life science. While all classes are a little bit different, there are a lot of similarities that make it easy for students and parents to view. One thing I do want to tell you about, if you're just interested in where your student is progressing in the class, many teachers use, but not all, use requirements. So if you're in the module, and you can get there usually through shortcuts on the front or clicking the module link on the left-hand side, you will see here these green check marks indicating a student has completed the task set by the teacher, completed the requirement. And it makes it easy to find where the student is in their progress in their learning. As I can see here on week 4, my student currently is on this assignment. This due date is tomorrow, so that would tell me my student is on pace and I can have a conversation with them and see if they needed help preparing for this quiz. So that's one way to check in with your student about their progress. If you want to view grades, this left-hand screen here will take me to the grades page where you have lots of information. Top right is a summary and then the categories here. Each one of these blue things is an assignment, and these blue words are links to the assignment. I will show you that in a moment. A check mark means complete, and they've got a score of 5 out of 5. You'll see these icons on the right. They're very helpful. The dialogue, the little conversation bubbles, if you click on it, you open it, you'll see teacher comments to give you information about the student's learning or help you understand how to maybe improve the assignment if necessary. If you click on the clipboard, that'll bring up a rubric helping you understand how the student was graded, which is also very convenient compared to PowerSchool where we're just getting a grade. Here we can better understand where the learning is at. If you wanted to view the assignment, for example, you're like, I think my student can do better, I don't understand what this assignment is, you can click on the blue words. It will take you to the submission details. Here, this is a test student, so there's not any good information here. You can also click on the rubric, but this is where the student's information, what they submitted, will be. If you want to view the instructions, you go up here on the top, click on the word one more time, and it will take you to the actual instructions that the student viewed. You can still view all of this information again on the right-hand side. It just keeps showing up in multiple places. So you have comments on the assignment, comments and grades, comments on the front page. Last thing I want to show you is a what if grade. If you and a student are having a discussion about the possibility of improving a grade and to see if it's worth your while, you can actually click on the score, type the score in, like if the student got 100%, and see how it changed the summary in the top right. Then you just click that arrow back. That way you can have a discussion about whether it's worthwhile to make changes to those grades. I hope this helps you feel a little more comfortable and confident when navigating Canvas and understanding your grades and feedback on this app.